Someone offers you $10. They keep 7. You get 3. Every economic model says take it. $3 is better than 0. A rational agent accepts. But you feel something first, before the math. A specific kind of resistance, like the number on the table is technically fine, but something about the situation isn't. Maybe you felt it at work. An offer that was acceptable but felt like an insult. A deal that left a bad taste. An apology that was technically an apology. You've been in this experiment your whole life. The scientists just gave it a name. In 1982, 3 German economists, Güth, Schmittberger, and Schwarze, ran the first formal version. 2 strangers, a sum of money. One player proposes the split. The other accepts or rejects. If they reject, both walk away with nothing. The rational prediction was obvious. Responders should accept anything above 0. Something is always better than nothing. And knowing this, proposers should offer as little as possible, $1, a few cents. Neither happened. Proposers offered around 40% on average, far more than the model said they needed to, and offers below about 20% were rejected half the time. People knowingly choosing nothing over something they felt was unfair. 40 years of replications, hundreds of studies, dozens of countries. Same result. In 2003, a team at Princeton put people inside an fMRI scanner and had them play the Ultimatum Game in real time. When an unfair offer arrived, a specific region lit up. The anterior insula, the same area that activates when you smell something rotten or see something that disgusts you. Your brain is registering unfairness as a physical sensation, not a calculation, not a judgment, a feeling in your body, the way nausea is a feeling. And here's the critical part. The stronger the insula response, the more likely you were to reject the offer. You don't decide unfairness is wrong. You feel it first. The rejection comes before the reasoning. Chimpanzees in similar setups behave more like the model predicted. They tend to take whatever is offered, which means chimps are either better at economics or they're missing something. Evolutionary anthropologist Joseph Henrich suspected it was the second. So he packed up the Ultimatum Game and ran it in 15 small-scale societies around the world. Hunter-gatherers, horticulturalists, nomadic herders. What he found broke the theory open. The Mashigwenga, a small isolated group in the Amazon with few dealings outside their own community, made low offers and accepted them without objection. Nearly rational. The Lamalera, whale hunters in Indonesia, who depend on dangerous cooperation with strangers to hunt and divide enormous catches, made offers above 50%. Hyper-generous. The Au of Papua New Guinea had a different twist entirely. They routinely rejected offers that were too generous. Accepting too much from a stranger felt like incurring a debt you couldn't repay. In every case, the fairness norms tracked with the economy, with how much that society depended on trusting strangers, isolated groups with only family trade, low fairness norms, societies built on markets and strangers cooperating, high fairness norms. Fairness isn't universal. It isn't wired in. It's something societies learn when they need it badly enough to punish the people who violate it. So, what is the rejection really? When you turn down the $3, you're not being irrational. You're enforcing a norm. You're saying, unfair treatment has a cost, even when accepting would technically be better for you. And the moment that stops, the moment everyone just takes whatever is offered and nobody pushes back, cooperation with strangers collapses. Think about what that enforcement mechanism has built. Every contract assumes someone will walk away from a bad deal. Every labor law exists because enough people once refused wages that were technically better than nothing. Every antitrust regulation, every consumer protection, every treaty, all of it is a formalized version of that same gut feeling in the lab. The people economists called irrational, they built markets, courts, cities. The rational players, the ones who accept anything above zero, are still in small, isolated groups, trading only with family. The rejection isn't the bug in human cooperation, it's the whole mechanism. Until next time, keep wondering.
If you like this video, please subscribe and keep us motivated to create more such videos. Do watch other videos we have created. Thank you for your attention.